So this is our 50 gallons per day reverse osmosis system. This is the motor pump and the plug, the adapter. Then this is the first filter, second filter with carbon, and third filter with filter again, and reverse osmosis and another carbon. So all in all, 5 stages. And this reverse osmosis has electronic automatic device that will control the whole system. And this system consists of 4 bulbs. The auto shut-off bulb, the pressure controller, and the other switches. So this is already complete as like a big water station. And these are the filters. We are using US filters and the US membrane, the reverse osmosis. And this is the faucet, stainless faucet, and all the hose and fittings that is needed for installation are already complete. And we have a pressurized tank, almost 4.2 gallons, and this is the box.